So how we will eat this one now? It's really hard work. So now we will put our all big. Huh? So now this is the operational time. Okay. Finally. Woo! This is the preparation before the scene, so it's really hard work. So now is the time for preparation for some sweet things like fruit salad. I make a cake, and this is actually my first time doing the salad. So I get some kiwi, I get some apples. So it's mixed actually many type of fruits, even banana will keep. And I guess hopefully it will be so delicious. And this is the final result. So now I will just try to keep some banana, and then I will add on it this one so it will look so tasty. I'll show you. And this is the final one. Wow, I finished it. Tell me in the comment section what do you think of this. It's so easy, by the way, to prepare it. Just cut the fruit, add some honey, add some lemon, and it's ready. So delicious. So now we are on process of firing. It's not that easy. It should be like so we brought this as professional people, and no, yeah, and then this is it. It's super full. Everyone camping here. This is our place. Whoop. So I'll take this one. So heavy. And then I'll take this. And then give me this one.
This one? This one?
No, this box. Yes. Okay, that's all for now. What's there? Yes.
That's it?
And then yes. And then yes. Okay, so what is the stick? Still frozen, Hubby. Completely frozen. So how we will eat this one now?
You can't eat that.
Really, I'm feeling so bad for this. Look at this. The fruit is in the bag. Who want to eat? Finally. Woo! Fire.
Got
Huh? So now this is the operational time. Okay. Let's put the chicken. So this is still frozen, but we managed to do it. Let's fold it down. Yeah. So done. So now we will put our all big chicken and everything there, and still we have a lot. And we have to bring gloves, don't forget, when you are coming to camping, so you can use everything. But I think we missed something, which is the table. We should bring a table with us, so it will be more easy because I stayed like this. Our food, and some of the food is ready here, as the chicken is ready finally. Looks so delicious, and operation closed. So what do we have there? Hummus. And then this is steamed rice. There is another type of rice there. And Mountain Dew. And then we are having this, the cake, ketchup, everything. And what's all both hummus? Okay. This is meat and chicken, by the way, and this is shrimp, but doesn't look like shrimp.